Here's a quick lesson on conditional formatting and more specifically with regards to highlighting cells. Okay, so you'll see in this instance here I've set it up so that if any person is in a positive with apples, it's green with green text, and if they're in the negative, it's red with red text. Now you can set this up however way you wish, but I'll show you how I did this here, which is very easy. You'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells, and you'll say if it's greater than 0, right, then give it green fill with dark green text, or you can go and select a custom format and set it up however you wish, right? So in this instance we'll just go with positive is green, and then exactly the same, you do exactly the same on the same range there, and you just go and say if it's less than 0, then we want it to be red with red text. Okay, it's as simple as that. And then if you want to be really fancy, you can go and add some icon sets to there, which is based on the data that's in there. It will give you like bars to represent the numbers that are in there. Put like all these different things in there. And then color scales, you can have color scales in there as well, or you can have data bars that give you full. Now you'll see there, here it shows us that 120 is the max there, and then the rest of it is subject to that 120 then. If 120 were to be 100%, then how much would the rest of those be? So that is a quick lesson there on conditional formatting.